The guinea pig cage needs to be cleaned out, like big time cleaned out. Even though we cleaned it out yesterday, has to be done every single day. Who'd have thunk it?
This is Mike Cook, and you're watching RCF 76.
Cage is clean. I showered. I'm about to watch a video. It's a 22-minute video, so it's about the length of a TV series, episode, whatever. It's about 9/11. I don't know, I'm really fascinated by all this stuff. All this new crap that's coming out and evidence that it was fake and all this other stuff. Anyway, I'm very interested in this, so I'm going to watch this, and then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to talk to you about what I really, 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 really want to talk to you about. Alright, now, if you watched the video that I posted, well, the last video that I posted, I actually posted it this morning, which was yesterday or whenever. It was before this video anyway. Number 157, if you're keeping track of the numbers on my videos. Anyway, I got a comment on that video from Save Hollywood. It says, I do the same thing. It's called photic sneeze reflex. Basically talking about I was out and I got the sun in my eyes and I sneezed. You know, it's just like an automatic reaction to the sun. Well, I looked it up. I looked up photic sneeze reflex, and according to Wikipedia, now I'm not going to read the entire thing. You can search for it yourself if you want to read everything. It's a huge page. But anyway, I'm just going to read the first little part here. It says the photic sneeze reflex, also known as photomarmosis, colloquially known as sun sneezing, is a condition of uncontrollable sneezing in response to numerous stimuli, such as looking at bright lights or peculiar surrounding the eyeball, injection, periocular, it's not peculiar, it's periocular. Really need to get my eyes checked. Periocular injection. So it's surrounding the eyeball. Outside. The condition affects 18 to 35% of the population. You know, like I commented, I replied to Save Hollywood and said, I just looked that up. We must be in the 18 to 35%. That's what I meant. Because it affects 18 to 35% of the population, but its exact mechanism of action is not well understood. So nobody understands why this happens, but we do understand that it does happen. Wow, I'm definitely going out for a walk. It's plus 22, feels like plus 26. For my American friends, that's plus 72, and it feels like plus 76. Wow, if it was like that in Celsius, oh, I would not go anywhere. Yeah, probably melt. Wow, the whole time I was outside, I couldn't stop sneezing. You know, it might have to do with the brightness of the sun too. Like, the brighter it is, the more you sneeze, something like that. I don't know. I can't figure it out. And, you know, if it's like you know, if experts can't figure it out, how am I supposed to figure it out, right? Right. I don't know. All I know is that whenever I go outside on a bright sunny day, I sneeze like crazy. I guess that is all that I need to know. And them's the facts, Jack. And that's no lie. So I go making spaghetti, so I thought, for supper tonight. And then I look at the package and it's linguine. Has that ever happened to you? I think the only difference is linguine is a little bit thicker than spaghetti. It's flat and thick. Spaghetti's round, linguine's flat. But anyway, I think that's the only difference. So it's almost ready. And we're gonna go and eat. And I'll talk to you afterwards. Alright, so not only did we have supper, linguine, and what else? Tomatoes? Yeah, we put like tomatoes and stuff in there, and I had like green peppers and olives and I don't know. Anyway, not only did we have supper, but we watched a movie as well. We saw that new movie with Will Smith and Jaden Smith called After Earth. That was awesome. That was a very, very awesome movie. I'm not going to say anything about the movie because it'll give it away, but it was good. And the last line of the whole movie was hilarious. So you have to watch the movie to find out what that line was, because I'm not going to say. Nope, not going to say it at all. But it was funny. And yeah. So anyway, that was that. So that about covers today. And let's see. Yeah, check out the channel of the week below and take it easy.